Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, I have a hard time speaking because I have the flu, and that's a real one. That's the mankind, you know, the worst. So guys, this time we're going to do another dipping, but like always I use too much acrylic when I do my background. This time there won't be any problems since I did made a black background beforehand, so now it's dry, so I won't have any kind of problem with an over acrylic on it. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to use 4 colors, and we're going to do, like I said, another dipping, a simple one, but I think it's going to be nice since, well, it's going to be strange since our background, our canvas is going to be dry, and we're going to do dipping but negative space at the same time. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. So guys, I hope you're gonna agree that the result is great. I think it's quite different since our main, the main colors that we put on the middle, they're not mixed with a wet background. I think it makes a whole lot of difference. Since I did put a little bit of blacker color, I think that the result is less bright. So that's the reason why I did enhance the way around our negative space. I think there's no law against it. You can do whatever you want to make sure that you like the finished product, of course. So I think that we did achieve it. I hope you're going to agree that the line we did on the sides of our negative space does enhance the finished product. I think it's very nice. I think you can say it's a bit like a flower, but it's an abstract flower in any case. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're going to try it better, because this way is very easy, it's very nice, and of course if you wanted to have a similar effect than when you do it on a wet background, I think it would be a good idea if you want to have a black background, just put a little bit more black on the first color that you put on your canvas, which would be dry. So I think like I said, it's a nice way to go. You have to try it, and don't be afraid to put some lines to finish it for your taste. That's what it's important after all. So guys, I hope you like it, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Okay guys, ciao.